Hello everyone, today we make ice cube tray because mine is broken, but I need one, minimum one. Start to make the project. Okay, we make some rectangle, 30 millimeters, except we need some offset plane now, about 30 millimeters. We need here make the rectangle, it's okay. The dimension I make about 40 and 40, it's okay. Now I use the tool lock. Okay, something like that. Now before we make the shell, we use the fillet to make this before the shell. I choose, okay, something like that. It's very good. 5 millimeters. Okay, now we can make the shell 1.2 millimeters. Now we make pattern from the cube. Object, we choose object, not face, body. We need the body, now we need the direction, one moment. Okay, this on this direction. We make about minus 45 is okay. Also here 45, but here we need 2 more. Oh, now it's okay. Something like this. Now we save the product. Ice cube tray 30 millimeters. Something like that. It's very nice now. That's okay. Now we make some sketch on this place. 6. Okay. Like that is better. I make some rectangle. I push the letter D. 3 millimeters. Here to here, also 3 millimeters, from here to here, 3 millimeters, also 3 millimeters, something like this. We need also to make some product from the these red lines, we know to all the contour, all the edges. What we need is in the new sketch. Later we see why we need this. Something like this. All we choose, now we make okay, something something like that. I think will be good now. We finish the sketch. Now we turn on all the cubes, make extrude, but we make extrude for all this. We must choose every edge we have here. Make this like that. Now it's okay. We make -5 millimeters. Okay, all is okay now. I think it's very good. Now turn on every cube. We see down to is all okay. We note some holes in the project. It's very good. It's no problem. Okay, now we need one more sketch for here. And we make the sketch on this plane. Need the center of the place. How we can make where we have the center? We can make from here to here. Not exactly, but we will know will be the center. The center is here. It's okay. Now I must just check. The line is 226, and this is also that same dimension. Okay, now I need make some rectangle from this place. The rectangle will have dimension like this. Okay. Now what I need, I'm not turn off this project or something, but now is okay. Now it's not construction, now it's all the sketch. Okay, something like this I make. I need make pattern for this. pattern direction here and here, minus 45, and we need 2, something like this, and also minus 45, and we might need one more. Okay, we make finish. Now we extrude all this. Okay, to node sketch. We can extrude. It's okay. Now we choose sketch, but it's good to choose every element from the sketch or extrude to not have problem later. I will make this now. I choose every element what I need. Something like that. Okay, minus 4 maximum because we make the 5mm dip. The last extrude. Now is 4. What we see here, all is okay. Now we save the project. Every time is good to save project. Now we combine all the project together. We choose, this is target body, this is all the bodies what we need to make together. Something like that. We not keep the tools. Okay. We save the project. Okay, now we make some fillets. We choose the princess. We make fillets about 2mm. It's okay, I think. I will make the fillet one more, but I need now to choose the edges from the project, and this is a little difficult because every edge I must choose that. Now I will choose from here the edges. Sometimes it's better to choose manually, not make pattern, because the pattern for fillet not work sometimes correctly in every application for 3D 3D projects. We have to choose all of this, yes, okay. We make 2 millimeter. Okay. Little white. And now we can look what we have. It's very good. This is for the water to move from cube to cube, to not go outside until the last cube will be full. Something like this. We'll make one more pillar. Lighting cube 5 millimeter. Let's save the project. Something like that. Rename this. Body. This project I will print from PET or PETG. Also we can print from TPE or TPU, but only if the filaments is good for food. It's recommended. If it's not recommended for food, it's better to not use. Every filament what is recommended for food you can use for print the ice cube tray. Now we choose the appearance. We put some color. Metallic, maybe this. No, it's very nice. I like. Okay, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. And we see you later.